Tech experts and detractors alike consider Samsung's Galaxy S series to be the real iPhone competitor. Compared to the iPhone 14 Pro Max, the S23 Ultra from this year has shown to be a superior smartphone. Today's innovative Samsung development will undoubtedly enrage Apple. This year, Apple is going Ultra, as you can see. The Pro Max will be renamed the iPhone 15 Ultra, and this change won't only be in the name, it will also have some Ultra features like a periscope zoom camera, USB-C, and a titanium frame, which is normally tougher and lighter than the stainless steel used in earlier iPhones. It currently seems that Samsung does not want to fall behind this time. As you can see, Samsung has consistently used aluminum for its top phones, whereas Apple has only ever used stainless steel. And since they are made of superior stainless steel, iPhones certainly have an advantage when it comes to in-hand comfort. You may wonder why Samsung didn't utilize stainless steel on its phones if it was so much better. The weight is the reason. Considering that Samsung's Ultra phones have more components, a larger battery, and a larger overall form factor than iPhones, they would weigh significantly more than iPhones if Samsung had chosen to use stainless steel instead of aluminum, which would have made it a little more difficult to use the phone for extended periods of time. However, Samsung discovered a method to make the Galaxy S24 Ultra seem more upscale by using the same strategy as Apple with the iPhone 15 Ultra. Now that I said simply the S24 Ultra and not the whole S24 series, you may be wondering why. This is as a result of titanium's high cost. Since it costs roughly 10 times as much as aluminum, I'm sure they'll simply put it on the S24 Ultra to keep the price as low as possible, just like Apple. Since titanium is far more robust than aluminum, as I've already indicated, the S24 Ultra will be among the most durable products on the market. The S24 Ultra will have a ton of new features, not just incremental upgrades as some folks had anticipated, according to Ice Universe in another tweet, which is fantastic. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.